So yan. It's a gift from God. So you ask me, what is your gift to us? You know what? For the things that I have said, ordered, and done, I am willing to put my neck dito sa mga bagay na ito. Eh, baka balang araw, itong ICC na itong bugok na to, if they decide to hang me, I would be very glad to go. And ako pa ang maglagay sa, anong tawag nito? Just to, alam mo, pag hindi ko ginawa to, ang siyabo, manood ka ng TV ngayon, review what was yesterday's, and review it every day until you reach next year. Araw-araw yan, duga pati violence. Kung ang droga-droga lang, okay lang yan sa akin. If you want to eat drugs, fine. I could volunteer government funds. Huwag ka lang gumalaw. Pakainin kita.